What are you doing, Chandler?
Finding Easter eggs.
How many do you have?
One.
No. There's a lot in there, isn't it? Almost full?
Yeah.
Why don't you go look over by the coffee pot?
Okay. Oh, there goes my basket. What's that?
I see 4 right here.
Whoa.
Oh, over by the coffee pot.
I don't see any. There's one. I don't see any more.
Fill up.
There's 2. Yay.
Keep looking around this to your right.
Ooh there. Ooh there.
To your right.
There's 3. There's 4.
Oh, there's one more.
Whoa. Where's that one?
To the right.
Whoa. There's 5
Now where would you reheat something?
in the microwave. There's 6. Oh my gosh. That thing's big. Where did you get that freaking thing? Where in the world did you get this freaking thing?
Will it fit in your basket? Maybe it's...
I'm gonna get you other basket.
Yeah, maybe we should go switch baskets.
Yeah.
Hold it up.
What?
No, the big egg. It's huge. It's almost as big as your head.
Is it really? That thing's big.